Let me just start with a question. If you and a billionaire is in the same courtroom and charged with the same crime, will both of you walk out with the same justice? Just think about that. Hello everybody and welcome back to the podcast where we unpack the social, moral and political question. I'm your host, Talha, and today we will explore a question that cuts to the very heart of democracy. That is law equal, truly equal for everyone? To put it another way, does everyone really have the access to justice? Let's start with the basics. The law promises equality. On paper, justice is blind. It doesn't see wealth, power, or status. But in reality, we can see things often look very different. The poor, the marginalized, and the underrepresented communities frequently face barriers, long before they even reach the courtroom. Just imagine two people. One a corporate executive and the other a government worker. Both are accused of the same crime. The executive can afford the best lawyer in town, but the workers depends on the overburdened public defender or legal aid volunteer. Legally, both have the right to defense, but in reality, do they stand on equal ground? This gap between law in theory and law in reality is where access to justice becomes a real issue. It's not just about having laws, it's about being able to use them. There are several dimensions to this inequality. First, economic inequality. Legal processes are expensive. Court fees, lawyer charges, and endless paperwork make justice a luxury for many. Second, social inequality. Discrimination based on class, gender, ethnicity, or disability often determines how people are treated by the legal system. And third one can be, it is the last, knowledge inequality. Many people don't even know their rights or how to claim them. Therefore, justice remains a distant idea instead of a living right. Now, this doesn't mean all is lost. Around the world, people are pushing for reform. Legal aid clinics, community paralegals, and digital access initiatives are helping bridge the gap. In particular, technology is offering hope, from online legal help desk to mobile apps that explain rights in local languages. But there is still a long road ahead. As long as justice depends on privilege, law cannot truly be equal. So, what does equal justice look like? It looks like a world where a farmer in a rural village and a CEO in the city have the same power to demand fairness, where gender or poverty doesn't decide the outcome of a trial, where people trust the system because they feel seen by it. Justice is not just about punishment or procedure, it's about dignity. It's about giving everyone an equal voice in front of the law. So, as you listen today, I leave you with a thought. If justice is a right, then access to it should never depend on privilege. True equality before the law isn't about words that has been written in the Constitution. It's about fairness lived in everyday life. This is Talha and thank you for listening, and don't forget to share your thoughts. Is law equal for everyone, or is it still a privilege for a few? I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.